started in 3, 2, 1, go!
That begins qualification match number 66. Lots of fuel coming in from these robots on the field. Blue Alliance quite a bit coming up. Looks like we have one team cutting edge already into that neutral zone. Red Alliance, no one over the bumps or through those trenches quite yet. Still more fuel coming up from that Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance going to have a slight lead as we get into this tele-op period, meaning Red Alliance will get that first shift of that active hub. All three members of that Red Alliance in this neutral zone here, trying to grab as much fuel as possible and getting it back to their side of the field. Looks like player one's going to be the first to take some shots at this active hub. Their alliance partner, Orange Overdrive, right behind them to toss a bit more. Does look like, unfortunately for this Blue Alliance, Walnuts and Bolts stopped underneath the trench on that Blue Alliance side of the field. Hopefully it is something small with their robot that they are able to figure out either in this match or prior to their next one. Blue Alliance does currently have that active hub, and it looks like Arsenal of Engineering trying to line themselves up to make sure they're as accurate as possible, but only 5 seconds of that active hub remain as their fuel starts to be tossed. Red Alliance, though, right there ready to start filling that hub. Orange Overdrive throwing up as much as possible. Kingdom Prep tossing a bunch onto their side of the field and adding some more to that hub. Unfortunately bumped by Orange Overdrive, meaning a couple shots missing that hub, but they're not deterred by that. Going to continue to grab as much fuel from this neutral zone as possible. Does look like successfully Walnuts and Bolts up and moving for that Blue Alliance. Hopefully remain up and moving for the remainder of this match. Only now 45 seconds remaining of it. Kingdom Prep RC on the Red Alliance, stuck on that bump in the middle. Orange Overdrive, drivers looking concerned as they look down at that robot. Still having a solid or a flashing signal light, but not moving anymore. Hopefully something small, maybe an FTAA, can help out Orange Overdrive to get them figured out. Just now 15 seconds remain in this match. Fuel coming up from as many Alliance members as they can. Player one gonna line themselves up with that level 1 of the tower. See if they can get themselves completely off the floor. Does look like there is space underneath that robot falling at the